Hello, welcome back to my sales office. We've got some exciting news to tell you. If you're a subscriber of this channel, you enjoy watching and learning about minis, we've got a new channel coming. It's called the Mini Job, and I believe we've got plenty of stuff to share with you, especially if you like minis, which most of you will do. And it will highlight the activities we perform to bring you these nice cars into stock, and what levels we go to collect them, to prep them, workshop videos, and of course the racing. The Mini Job will be our new channel. It will be a learning curve for us, so feel free to watch it, and if you want to give us some positive feedback, hopefully that would be much appreciated. And hopefully we can include future content that you may find interesting and what you may want us to produce. So Ashton will put up some links to the new channel, and go and have a look, watch and tell us what you think. Language.